Thank you for joining me. I'm Alexandra, and I want to talk about JP Morgan Chase. What they do is banking, pretty much nothing else, obviously. Stock price $157.65, which gives them a market cap of $481 billion. Revenue $119.5 billion, with earnings of $29.1 billion, which is pretty nice. PE of 17 with a forward PE of 15. I don't understand why suddenly banks are going up, especially with what they've been doing, but who knows. Dividend yield 2.3% with a payout ratio of 41%, which is also decent, not great anymore, but you know. Total assets $3.4 trillion. Total liabilities $3.1 trillion. That is the most assets I've ever seen on a balance sheet, and I doubt anyone has that beat. Total stockholders' equity is $279 billion, which is nice, but I did Citibank yesterday, and I prefer Citibank because their stockholders' equity of $199 billion is actually more than their market cap. With JP Morgan Chase, not only is the PE higher, the market cap is quite a bit higher than the stockholders' equity. Risk factors, apparently global pandemics didn't do much, so who knows, really. Again, I will say that oil drilling is generally financed by debt, and if that goes south, there could be problems. But unless we see a max exodus of oil drilling companies, I don't think that there's many risk factors here. So, again, I liked Citibank better yesterday, but nothing I can do about that. For a growth investor, obviously big banks are pretty much not interesting. For a dividend investor, I think it's a pretty good stock because it's very stable. If they could do some regulations like they did after the 2009 crash, 2008, who knows, then obviously that would help me feel more secure investing in banks, but don't know if that's going to happen. But still very interesting stock, fairly stable company, very safe. For a value investor, PE is nice, dividend is nice. If they can get back to the earnings they had, that would be even better, but balance sheet is decent, I guess. So overall, I think also a very interesting stock for a value investor. Still like Citibank better. That's it for me, folks, today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.